Okay, now I'm going to click on activity logs of participants. And you'll see there's A through J different teams. I want you to click on each one of these and go in and highlight
everything.
Oh, not that. Just this.
No, just sheet.
And copy. And then open up one of the 4 spreadsheets and paste.
Okay.
And then we'll call this sheet Group A.
A.
And then you're going to do the same thing for B, C, D,
C.
E, F, G, H, I, J. Is that how many there were?
Yeah.
Yes.
I think so. Yes.
Okay, so the same thing for each of them. Okay?
Okay.
And then I'm just going to do it for A right now, okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so then you're going to go back into Globus and hit the back button and go to Globus Reports for Industry 1 right here. And Decision History Report. And go to Data Export. And we need to start exporting with year 6 and go all the way up to the last year that it has.
Okay.
So change both of those toggles to year 6 and then click on Export GSR Data. And I'm just going to put
sorry, why not for year 5? Because it's the beginning of...
Year 5 is default settings in the program. The first year that the students actually make their own decisions is year 6.
Okay, I understand.
What we're trying to study, Anja, is look at what the students are reviewing for their homework, and then look at how much change they're making in their decisions.
Okay.
So that's the whole point of all this data collection, is to look at if they review various reports more, if they log into their program more, is it making them make more changes?
Okay.
Does that make sense?
Yeah. It makes.
And
I needed to ask.
That's okay.
Not to.
And year five is like the default settings from the computer program, so it doesn't have any decisions in it.
Okay.
So go in and save the GSR for Y6, and then do the same thing for the CIR snapshot. And then you're going to do the same thing
for year 7 to year 12.
Yes, all the way up to year 12.
Okay.
So I'm just going to use years 6 and 7 right now for...
Yeah, okay. No problem.
So next, we need to go to the desktop and open up the... Well, no. I take that back. Let me, one thing before that. I'm going to, in the spreadsheet for Group A,
okay,
I'm going to highlight these logins, total duration, average duration, and we don't want number of saves, actually.
Okay, and then we copy. Okay, I remember this part.
Yes. And then the GSR, CIR, COR. And then we want to calculate everything from year 6 to year 12. So this is going to be equals
This plus.
year 6, and then go down to the next person,
Okay.
year 6. Go down to the next person, year 6. Oops. I made a mistake.
Yeah.
Year 6 plus year 6 plus year 6 plus
Plus.
year 6 plus year 6. So that's 6. And now we can actually drag this over,
Okay.
and it'll calculate the other ones automatically.
Okay.
But we have to change these
Mm-hmm.
to I instead of F.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can drag that over, and happily
Okay.
we can highlight the whole thing and drag all the way down to year 12.
Okay.
So I don't know why, but when you did it the last time,
Yeah.
the numbers weren't right. I don't know why.
I think, as I told you, that when you have that cross and you have some option next to that, and I think that maybe there, I don't know, the different option or something like that. Because now I can see the result,
Uh-huh.
and I will see what is wrong with it. I will know what is wrong because I cannot do that now. I have to see what is
No, that's
with
fine.
the options in Excel.
That's
because
fine.
I have done that, everything the same, but I don't know why that happened.
I'm not sure either. I just when I looked at your spreadsheet, I just went in and counted for myself how many logins were there,
Yeah?
and I think you had 6 and I counted 8. So I'm not sure
Okay.
why, but the numbers weren't right the last time. But if you do what we just did, then
Yes, I did. Yes, I did, because I remember all that stuffs and all the procedure, because I was doing that with the video that you sent me. But as I told you, I have to see what is with the options in Excel. So
that's
maybe
fine.
that is a problem.
That's fine. Well, I will allow you to check what's wrong.
Thank you.
Basically, the one that we were doing before was for year 15, and it was just a
Okay.
partial. So
Okay.
I would suggest that you just start over again with year 1 and just start from there and do all of them.
Okay, so I have to start with the year, the first year, and then I will go to this year 15, or
Yes, that's correct. So,
okay, okay,
and you're going to
okay.
make different spreadsheets for each of the years. So
Yeah, sure, sure.
we'll call this one, let's see, save everything on the desktop and call this activity logs. Sorry, not year 1, industry 1.
Oh, okay.
So that's that.
Okay.
And then I made things a little easier from what I did in the old instructions.
Mm-hmm.
So if you go to the CIR snapshot for year 6, you can just
Okay.
you can highlight the entire page,
Okay.
copy, and paste into book 2.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yep.
And this is going to be Y6
Okay.
And then we'll open up the download for Y7, copy, and paste into sheet 2, and we'll call that
Okay.
Y7.
Years. Okay. Yeah.
And then paste everything again into sheet 3. So everything that
Okay.
you pasted from Y7,
Okay.
paste it into sheet 3 and call that change Y7.
Okay.
And then you're going to keep doing that for each year. So year 8, year 9, year 10, year 11.
So it will be, yeah. So if I'm putting now, for example, year 8, then I'm going to have change year 8 and year 9, change year 9 and so on.
Exactly.
Okay. Okay.
So now I'm going to recalculate all these numbers.
Okay.
So this is going to be equals
Okay.
this
Okay.
minus this.
Okay.
Did you see?
Yes.
Okay. And then we're going to put all of that in parentheses
Mm-hmm.
divided by $, oops, divided by $,
Okay.
Q4.
And Q4. Okay, that's average. Okay.
Yes. So what I want to do is look at the change from year 6 to year 7 divided by the average for the entire industry.
Mm-hmm.
And once we
So basically, year before, it's a basic year. So if I'm going to put year 8, the basic year will be year 7. So
yes, that's correct.
okay. Okay.
And so then once you've calculated, you can just drag over
Yeah.
and drag down. And that calculates everything. Now, we're not going to, if it says division by 0, that's okay because we're not actually going to use this number in the research.
Okay.
So that is that. Now we need to do the same thing for the GSR. So first of all, we'll save this desktop. This is CIR logs industry 1.
Okay.
And then we'll open up these GSR files. And again, you don't have to worry about deleting anything. Just copy the entire page
Okay.
and put it into sheet 1 of the third spreadsheet. And we'll call this Y6 again.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll open up GSR 7, copy, go to sheet 2, paste, and then once again we'll paste the same information from Y7 into the change sheet. And then we'll do the exact same thing. Equals Y6 minus Y7. And in this case, you don't have to worry about the average.
Okay.
We'll just calculate the difference and drag that over
Okay.
and drag down. And we're all set. So then we'll save this as GSR logs industry 1.
Industry 1. Okay.
And then we need to go to the fourth spreadsheet and create a column here that says group.
Mm-hmm.
And then we can go to the activity logs, copy this, and paste it here.
Okay.
Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then we will go to the CIR logs
Okay.
and copy column B here.
Mm-hmm.
Just the places where there's words, not the first three columns or the first three rows.
Okay.
And then we will go to book 4, put the cursor right here, and right click and put paste special.
Mm-hmm.
Why is that doing that? This is not working correctly.
No.
Why is it doing that?
Try to press OK. Then we'll see what we got it.
That's not what we want.
It's not.
I have no idea why it's doing that, Anja. Is this what it was doing
Yeah.
for you?
No. It was a different. I can remember that it was a different because it was something like horizontal and vertical.
Yeah, exactly. Let me
Yeah.
see if I save the document.
Maybe it will be different.
Yeah, maybe. Nope. Wow, that's really weird.
Yeah, I didn't see that before, neither. But if try to copy here in a column A3, maybe it will be different, or it should be in H. No.
Wow. Why?
But if you put here text, what you will get if
Text?
you press yes here? No, nothing special. Yeah, it was different last time.
It was, I know. I have no
No?
idea why it's doing that. It might be because we're on because we have the connection going.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure.
Weird.
Very weird. Paste link. Okay, well, we can't really go forward right now. You remember what we wanted to do is paste special
Yes.
and then transpose.
I have a link from your video before, and this part I can just make from there. So
Yeah.
basically, I know what you want to get.
So we want to transpose and paste all of those headings up here in the first row.
Okay.
And then we're going to do the same thing with the headings from the GSR log. So we'll take this column right here.
Okay.
Copy. Oops. Yeah. It's so weird. Yeah. So that's, once Excel is working properly again, that's what we want to do.
Yeah.
And then take the data from each of those spreadsheets and paste it into the right place as well. I have no idea why it's not working correctly.
Maybe it's really because we are using that program. Go to my PC. So
That's the only thing I can think is that that's the only thing that's different. Otherwise, everything should be the same. So I can't really do any more of the description, but I think you understand what you need to do.
yes, and I have now like numbers, and I can see first really what is wrong with my computer, and then put settings that everything is fine. And because like it wasn't hard at first time too, but as I told you, I don't know why the wrong numbers came to me. So
Yeah, I don't know. Just when you're done, double check the numbers and make sure that they're right. I'm not sure why they were wrong last time, but if you check, maybe you'll figure out what it was.
yeah, so I will start with Industry 1.
Yes, and then
This time. Okay.
Whenever you're done with Industry 1, then you can go on to Industry 2, 4, 3, 4, like that.
Okay. But how much time do I have to do everything?
As much time as you need. The sooner you get done, the sooner Laura and I can start writing a paper. But
Okay.
there's no deadline. You can do it as long as take as long as you need.
Okay. We have now some holidays, so I think that I will make during them this. It's to me it's really funny. It's really cool to do that, so it's not a big problem.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Well, I will hang up then, and
Okay.
I will send you this recording as a link as well,
Okay.
and then you should be good to go.
Okay, thank you. And if I'm going to have some of the question, I'm just going to ask you.
Yes, that's fine. Just email me or call me if you have any more questions, okay?
Okay. Thank you very much for
No problem.
explanation.
Talk to you later, Anja.
Talk to you later.
Okay,
Bye.
bye-bye.